Tool lots, reliable equipment, fast.
Hi, my name is Kyle LaRue and I'm with Tool Lots, and today I'm going to be introducing the TC1631AC computer numeric control wood router. This machine is used to engrave various types of wood such as pine, oak, MDF, and other similar types. So if you're manufacturing doors, wall art, wall molding, furniture, this machine is a great solution for you because it's easy to operate, it's inexpensive, and it's accurate. So let's go over some of the technical parameters of this machine. It's equipped with a 12 horsepower spindle motor capable of spinning up to 24,000 RPMs. It has an auto tool changer with a stationary 8-bit tool holder, meaning you can change your bit up to 8 different times during operation. It has vacuum assisted clamping mechanism with 6 controllable zones. The working area of the machine is 63 inches in the x-axis, 118 inches in the y-axis, 12 inches in the z-axis. It has a dust collection system to keep a clean working environment during operation, a pneumatic controlled brush guard to activate and lower and lift the brush guard. It also has a DSP handheld controller, which is G-code compatible. The suggested software for the machine is ArcCam, and it's a 220 volt 3-phase input supply. So if you have any more questions regarding the technical parameters of the machine, please check us out at toollots.com. And again, I'm Kyle LaRue. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so let's begin talking about the operation of the TC1631AC. So today we're going to be engraving 1/2-inch MDF wood. So let's begin by turning on our machine. Our first step is to turn on the main switch on the back of our electrical panel. So I will do so. Okay, we hear our pneumatic system activated. We see our controls light up. So this machine is equipped with 2 emergency stop systems. One on the DSP controller and one on the main electrical cabinet itself. So our first step is we're going to take our pre-designed program from our USB and insert it into our USB location here, and then you're going to take your file from your USB and load it onto the DSP controller. So this is done by selecting the menu button, dropping down to USB, and then loading the file to the controller. Once the file is loaded to the controller, you can then come into your local files and find your file that you've loaded on the controller, select it, and then press 1 to load. So let's talk a little bit about the file that we have created using ArcCam software.
Tool lots, reliable equipment.